Alright, we're leaving Cachtice, headed to Elizabeth Bathory's castle by foot. And it's definitely pretty vampire-y. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm about 3 miles away. It's definitely got some thick, somewhat creepy woods leading up to it. I could see how if the castle was that direction, it'd be pretty difficult to lead some sort of column of troops through there to get at the castle gates. But yeah, we're still a ways out, but shouldn't be too much farther. Still walking there. It's a bit misleading, and for anybody watching, for future reference, although it's called the Hrad Cachtice, which is like the Cachtice castle, there's actually another bus stop that's like, or train stop that's much closer to it. I'm kind of an idiot and was like, oh, the Cachtice castle, might as well get off in Cachtice. But no, it's like a 4.2 mile walk just to get there, and then the other train station is like, I don't know, half a mile maybe. So, but getting close. There it is up there. This is the trail leading up to the castle. Tell it doesn't get used a whole lot. As we're getting deeper, keep seeing these hopefully trail markers, but it's definitely a bit of an interesting experience. As we get a bit deeper, keep seeing these trail markers. It's definitely an interesting experience knowing that probably so many people were brought up this exact trail. Oh, here it splits off right here. So many people were brought up the same pathway and ended up imprisoned in the castle, having their blood drained for some rich lady to bathe in it to hopefully maintain her youth. And definitely spurring some of the vampire legends and stories we've come to know. Although I'm sure it wasn't this narrow when it first happened, or when this castle was in full swing. But who knows? Although we're getting close to the castle, these woods definitely provide good cover for it. I can't even see it. So if I was, leading some sort of army this way, it'd be pretty easy to get picked off along this little trail. But yeah, these woods are definitely a little more spooky than the Daring woods, but I still don't believe in that shit. Trail's getting quite a bit steeper and less maintained. I'm also not wearing the appropriate shoes for this. I know this is the trail, even though I haven't seen any markers for a little bit. Oh, there's one. I don't know if the sun's glare blocked that out, but I think we're getting close. Getting up towards the top. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys what the final little section of the path looks like. Well, son of a bitch. I bet this road would have been a lot easier than what I fucking just did. Oh well. This is it. This is Countess Bathory's living quarters at first, and then eventually her prison. She killed a bunch of people in here in a very brutal fashion. Let's go through the gates. I believe I'm the only person here, but we shall see. It's crazy to know the history of this place and to potentially know what kind of nightmares and torture occurred here. Probably would have been a little better quality on my GoPro, but I'm an idiot and left my GoPro in my room.